Hi, welcome to Gear Grind. So today we're going to take a look at 3 different sleeping bags, and one that I'm absolutely pleased to show you, the Naturehike that I just got, and I think it is hands down the best value in the North American market. So we're comparing it to, for the same price, another down bag. This one comes from Mountain Warehouse, okay, and it's the same price, and it is rated from 2 to 7 Celsius. So let's say it's a 4 or 5 Celsius bag. Okay. The Naturehike is rated, you'll see, I'll show you when I open it up on the panel inside. It's rated to -5. It's the same price. It's real goose down, no odor. I'm 6'4", we'll see if it fits me. And it is just twice as much down. The same weight. We're gonna weigh them out. And finally, lastly, a synthetic bag, a Chinook bag that I've been using for years. So let's start with the Naturehike bag. Gotta zero the scale first. So the scale reads 8.3. Okay, 8.3 kilograms. That's 830 grams. So zero the scale. The Mountain Warehouse, surprisingly, is the same, 8.3 with the stuff sack. So the synthetic bag, zero the scale. The synthetic bag comes in at 1.15 kilos. So that means this is a 10-degree bag, the synthetic. 10 degrees, almost 1.5 kilos. It's the same size as a -5. That's a 15-degree difference with the Naturehike. Then in down, because this is apples to oranges, synthetic to down, in down, for the same price, this Mountain Warehouse, okay, it's the same price as this Naturehike. It's a +5 and a -5. Like, you get literally, and this one is said it's 75% duck down and 25% just feathers. This says pure goose down, and I believe it when you feel it. So let's see first, before I unpack it, if I wanted to, could I cinch this down? Absolutely. I think if I pulled on these straps, I could get this thing so small. Like, I kind of don't want to do it right now because I'm about to unloft it, but like, I could even still go smaller than this, no problem, no problem. So let's open her up and have a look. So I spent some time browsing some of the outfitters around here, looking at some of the big Agnes bags that are $500-600, and some of the other competition ones, you know, the store brand REI type mech co-op ones. And I am telling you that this is $100 to $200 cheaper than any other -5 bag that I could find. It's actually cheaper than most of the zero, and I'm talking Celsius, 0 Celsius bags. So let's open this up. Okay. So this, of course, has to loft, but I'm gonna show you the quality of these YKK zippers. I don't know if that shows up on camera. YKK zippers. It has a hood with a draw, which is great. I like that the draw isn't in the middle, so it doesn't dangle in your face. And I believe inside here there's a panel, so years later when you can't remember what it's rated to, this tells you the comfort sort of range on this bag, which is good because I'll either store this. Oh, and I dropped something. Oh, there it is. And look, it also comes with a storage sack. How nice is that? So I'm 6'4". Let's quickly just hop in this bag and see how it does. See if the hood fits, if the foot box is okay. You know? Let's see. Oh, this YKK zipper has beautiful action. Let's hop in. Oh, the foot box has lots of room. That's great. It is not claustrophobic. Zipper it up. How's it across the chest? Oh, it's good across the chest. Can get my arms down to my side. I think I'm a 44 to 46 chest. If you were any bigger than a 48, you might want to, or a 50, you might want a bigger bag, but then they have bigger ones available from other companies. But you get what you pay for it. So as far as the hood goes, there's plenty of room here. My feet are good, my head is good. Oh, it's hot in here. It is hot in here. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for stopping by another gear grind. We'll get back to you once we've done some field testing with a long-term reveal. But this is the unboxing. Ciao for now.